Details of bamboo tree. Bamboo is a type of fast-growing grass that is known for its tall, slender, and woody stems. It is a versatile plant with various species found in different parts of the world, including Asia, Africa, and the Americas. Bamboo is celebrated for its strength, flexibility, and sustainable characteristics. Bamboo trees can grow to impressive heights, ranging from a few feet to over 100 feet tall, depending on the species. The stems, known as culms, are cylindrical and have distinct nodes along their length. Bamboo leaves are typically long and narrow, adding to the tree's graceful appearance. Some species of bamboo produce edible shoots, which are a delicacy in many cuisines around the world. Bamboo is a highly renewable resource and plays a crucial role in environmental conservation due to its rapid growth and carbon sequestration capabilities. Symbolism. Bamboo symbolizes resilience, strength, and adaptability in many cultures, particularly in Asian societies. Its ability to bend without breaking represents the importance of flexibility and perseverance in overcoming challenges. Bamboo is often associated with harmony, growth, and prosperity, making it a popular motif in art, literature, and architecture.